Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best split ends treatment is probably one of the most sought-after solutions for anyone struggling with damaged hair, as it directly addresses the frustrating reality of frayed, brittle strands that can detract from your overall look and feel. This video will dive deep into understanding what causes split ends, how to effectively prevent them from forming in the first place, and most importantly, the most innovative and effective treatments available on the market today to restore your hair's health and vitality, ensuring you achieve that smooth, sleek, and vibrant mane you've always desired. Number 5. Olaplex and Degree 3 Plus Complete Repair Treatment. Discover the revolutionary Olaplex and Degree 3 Plus Complete Repair Treatment. It's a powerful 3-minute pre-shampoo solution designed to revitalize your hair. This innovative treatment works quickly to repair damage, leaving your hair feeling noticeably softer and stronger after just one use. Whether your hair is coily, curly, straight, or wavy, this treatment is formulated to benefit every strand. Achieve visibly healthier hair with reduced breakage and improved texture. It's the perfect addition to your hair care routine. Just apply it for 3 minutes before shampooing. It's an easy yet effective way to restore your hair's vitality. Experience the unique bond-building technology that only Olaplex can provide. It's designed to repair and protect your hair from within. What we like. This is a powerful pre-shampoo treatment designed to intensely repair damaged hair. It works to strengthen your strands from within, making them noticeably softer and healthier. If you have severely damaged, chemically treated, or heat-styled hair, this is the perfect solution to bring it back to life. What people say. My hair felt softer, stronger, and with much less frizz. With continued use, it looks healthier and is much easier to manage. It's not heavy and doesn't leave my hair greasy. It feels like a real treatment that works from within. My hair is nowhere near 100% healthy, but the areas that felt gummy now either do not feel gummy at all, or are about 75% improved. Your hair will not feel like you just used a hair mask deep conditioner. It will feel stronger, less frizzy, more manageable, and I have also noticed that what breakage I do have from the bleaching is not noticeable because those hairs are more weighed down. This creation helps strengthen hair by repairing and healing each individual hair shaft with less noticeable split ends. This product has quick results, and after 2 to 3 washes, your hair is noticeably healthier and stronger. It also leaves your hair very shiny and soft with the amount of hydration it gives. It will fix split ends by relinking the broken disulfide bonds caused by chemical, thermal, and mechanical damage to the hair. This formula is made to work with various types of hair while reducing breakage and improving its look and feel. Number 4. L'Oréal Paris Elvive 8-Second Wonder Water. Introducing a revolutionary hair treatment from L'Oréal Paris Elvive. Experience the magic of Wonder Water for incredibly silky and shiny hair. This rinse-out moisturizing treatment works wonders in just 8 seconds. Achieve the smooth, lustrous locks you've always dreamed of. Our lamellar technology targets damaged areas, instantly smoothing and detangling. Get ready for hair that looks and feels amazing. No more waiting. This powerful formula delivers visible results in a fraction of the time. It's the perfect solution for busy mornings. Simply apply to wet hair after shampooing, wait 8 seconds, and rinse. You'll be amazed at how soft and radiant your hair becomes. Discover the difference 8 seconds can make. This treatment leaves your hair feeling incredibly light, smooth, and full of shine. What we like. Experience a rapid transformation for your hair in just 8 seconds. This rinse-out treatment leaves your locks feeling incredibly silky and looking brilliantly shiny. If you're looking for a quick, effective way to boost shine and smoothness without a long waiting time, this is an excellent choice. What people say. A little goes a long way and restores softness and shine to your hair. Help tame frizzles on humid days. Makes your split ends disappear. It makes your curls bouncier. This made it so easy to comb through in a way I'd never experienced before. The bottle lasted about 6 uses, which was more than I expected given how much hair I have. Number 3. Braun Silk Expert Pro 5 IPL Hair Removal. Tired of constant shaving and waxing? Discover a revolutionary way to achieve long-lasting smooth skin right at home. Our advanced IPL technology targets hair follicles, providing visible and permanent hair reduction for both women and men. Achieve significant results quickly and efficiently. Enjoy fewer ingrown hairs and a more confident you. With 2 specialized heads, it adapts to your needs for precise and comfortable hair removal on various body areas. Get professional level results without leaving your home. It's the convenient solution for your hair removal journey. It comes with a handy pouch, making it easy to store and take with you wherever you go. Effortless beauty is now within reach. What we like. Achieve long-lasting hair reduction from the comfort of your home. This advanced IPL device offers a safe and effective way to reduce unwanted hair for both men and women. If you're tired of constant shaving or waxing and desire a more permanent solution, this is the ideal tool for you. What people say. It is much less painful than salon laser. I had a really hard time with salon laser pain on legs, underarms and just basic inner thigh type bikini line. This is worlds better. The results are amazing. I actually shaved today for my weekly zap session, but almost all of the hair is already gone. After a few uses, I already noticed slower hair growth and smoother skin, which is exactly what I was hoping for. Number 2. Blinger Ultimate Set, Glam Collection. Introducing the Blinger Ultimate Set, Glam Collection. It's the ultimate way to add dazzling flair to your hair and fashion. Using it is as simple as load, click, and bling. You can instantly transform your look with a touch of glamour. With 225 gems included, the possibilities are endless. Style your hair, your clothes, or anything you can imagine. This set features the amazing Glam styling tool. It's designed for effortless application and maximum sparkle. Get this exclusive Amazon collection and be the first to experience the magic. It's perfect for adding that extra special touch. Elevate your style and let your personality shine through. This tool is your new best friend for all things sparkly. What we like. Unleash your creativity and add instant sparkle to your hair, fashion, and more. This fun styling tool makes it incredibly easy to apply gems with a simple click. If you love to accessorize and want a playful way to express your style, this set is perfect for parties, festivals, or everyday flair. What people say. The Blinger is very easy to use and came with a good amount of gems. My daughter has had the gems in for multiple days in a row, lasting through swimming in our pool and a day at the lake. She put some on our dog and 3 days later they're still on. The stickers have great staying power and look very cute. The 8-year-old birthday girl, her friends, and even the adults had so much fun bejeweling our hair and sparkling all night. Number 1. Split Ender Pro 2 Hair Trimmer. Discover the revolutionary Split Ender Pro 2, the ultimate professional beauty tool designed to transform your hair care routine. Tired of split ends ruining your look? This innovative device precisely trims away damaged ends without affecting your hair's length. Enjoy the freedom of cordless operation for a seamless styling experience. Achieve salon-quality results right at home. Whether your hair is damaged, dry, brittle, frizzy, curly, or straight, it's the perfect solution for healthier-looking locks. Its advanced technology ensures a quick and easy trim, leaving your hair smoother, stronger, and more manageable. Available in a vibrant red color, this tool is a must-have for anyone seeking beautiful, healthy hair. What we like. This professional tool is specifically designed to trim away split ends without cutting your hair length. Its cordless design makes it convenient to use anywhere, delivering salon-quality results at home. If you struggle with dry, brittle, or frizzy hair and want to maintain healthy-looking ends, this is the ultimate solution. What people say. The spinning rubberized paddle lifts the damaged ends and allows tiny blades cleverly set to the sides of it and trims them. After spending a few hours using it, I can say my hair went from easily tangling with dry ends to healthy, silky, and more manageable. I did not lose length, and if anything it looks thicker due to the damaged ends no longer being there. It was simple to use, didn't snag at all, and left my hair feeling noticeably healthier. When I went through my hair afterward, I could barely find any split ends left. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.